you can now convert your naira, cedis, cephas, shillings, francs to RMB directly and send to your Alipay. You can use it to fund your Alipay, and you can also send directly to your Chinese supplier. So no more fraudulent activities, no more scaring transactions, and no more scary exchanges with their rates. Okay, so in today's tutorial, I find out a website that you can now use to start sending money to China directly, sending money to do a lot of international transaction basically. So the name of this app is called Skyee 360, and I'm going to be leaving their link to the description button of this tutorial. So let's dive into it. The first thing here is to enter their website. You can also download their app on App Store and Play Store, sign up, and then I'm going to be logging into my account right here. So this is my account and I'm going to be logging in. So basically their sign up process does not require a lot of documentation, and you can use this app to do a whole lot of transactions. And the beautiful part of this app is the fact that their exchange rate is direct bank rate. They are going to be giving you a direct bank rate. Now, before we quickly dive into the tutorial, let's look at their bank rate here. Now, if we are to do their, let's come to their rate session here. If I'm to click on convert now let's look at the exchange rate for today. As at when recording this video, I'm going to be using naira and 𝐶𝐲, which is RMB, as my exchange rate. So let me select here. I want to sell, let's say I want to sell naira here. Let's look at their exchange rates for naira. It is basically applicable to all Africa countries basically. So let's say I want to sell from 1 naira to RMB. So you can see their exchange rate for today is 207, which you can see that is automatically bank rate. So that is the beautiful part of this website. Let's say I want to buy cedis. Let's look at Ghana cedis, right? Let's look at Ghana cedis here, and let's see their rates for Ghana cedis here. Let's look at let's say I want to sell 100 Ghana cedis. Let's say I want to convert it. You can see here it gives us 1 𝐶𝐲 to cedis is just 1.82 Ghana cedis, which is very, very good for this platform. That's why I said you need to stick around with us. You need to subscribe to our channel so you don't get to miss any updates. I'm still coming up with different updates on this channel. I've got different platforms that you can use to fund your Alipay. And one thing I love about this platform is that it's not necessarily you have Alipay before you can start trading, before you can start doing anything on this platform. So what I'm going to be doing from here now is to start the tutorial properly. So I'm going to be using their app. Remember I told you they have app. So this is just to this is just to show you the conversion rates on the website. So let's get to the tutorial properly. What you need to do here is to come here and search for Skyee. That's the name of the platform. You can search for Skyee here. The app is available on iOS and is available on Android and Samsung. So this is the name of the app, and you can see I've already downloaded it. It's a Chinese company and it's also a Hong Kong company. They are into exchange services, transaction services. So once you don't download, just open it from here. And once you open it from here, it's going to take you to a page where you are going to be signing up. Sign up. If you are having issues with your sign up, you can reach out to me directly. I can help you complete your sign up. I can give you a guide on how you can complete your sign up. And once you complete your sign up, it's going to take you to this page directly. Now, once you land to this page, let's quickly look at 3 different things in this tutorial. I don't want to record a long video. That's why we are going to be looking at 3 things in this tutorial. Maybe in the next tutorial we complete it. The first thing we are going to be looking at is the exchange rate. How much are they selling their RMB? How much are they converting their RMB to your local currency? We are going to be looking at that. Second thing is, how can you fund your account? That's the most beautiful part of the app. They are going to be giving you your local bank account. If you are from Ghana, they are going to give you a Momo account or a direct bank account. in Momo that you are going to be using to do your conversion. If you are from Nigeria, they are going to be giving you a Nigeria bank account that you can send directly to. So it's not as if you are doing a international transaction that is going to be giving you a headache. And if you are from Cameroon, you are from other African countries, you are going to be eligible for these services as well. So the thing we are going to be looking at is what is their exchange services. Now, how much are they exchanging? Let's firstly look at the comparison. Are they exchanging at bank rate or the local black market rate? Now, that's what we are going to be looking at. So this is they have their FX converter that is going to be helping you to convert your naira, to convert your cedis, franklin, shillings, cedis, or any Africa or any digital currency. So let's first start from NGN. So now let's say we want to exchange naira. This is 10,000 naira here. We want to exchange it to RMB, which is yuan. We are going to come to this USD here and change this currency to yuan, and let's see how much these guys are selling their RMB today. So you can see here, as at for today, presently now, one CYN to naira is 207.70, which I believe the black market rate is presently selling for 209, 210. It depends on how much your exchanger is selling for you. That's the more reason I love this platform. Now let's look at another currency, which is Ghana. Let's look for Ghana here. Let's look for Ghana. Let me just type G, and this is Ghana here. Let's look for the exchange rate for Ghana. So you can see here, 1 RMB for Ghana cedis here today is 1.82 Ghanaian cedis, which makes it a very unique platform. They are selling at bank rate, official bank rate. You can never see this exchange rate on any platform at all. That's another thing you need to take note. Now let's look at Cameroon cedis. I think they sell CFAs. Let's look at Cameroon here. I don't know the currency they are presently using in Cameroon, but let me see if I can see it here. We have a lot of African countries here, so I think this is Cameroon here. Let's look at their exchange rate in Cameroon. So you can see here it is just 89.09 CFAs. I think they also sell their currency in Cameroon is CFAs. So you can see here that this is CFAs. So that is to tell you that this platform give you opportunity to exchange, to convert your local currency to currency which is China currency at your official bank rate. That's the first thing we are looking at. The second thing we are looking at is how can you get your bank account? How can you get the account that you are going to be funding? Okay, now to get that, you want to click on add money here. But before we look into that practically, if you have been trying to message me on WhatsApp, WhatsApp has already banned my account, so we are not available to make a response on our previous number. So the present platform that we are 100% active right now is Telegram. So you can message us on Telegram with the number under the comment section. Just go to the comment section. You are going to see our number there, or click on that description bar. Click on the description button. You are going to see the details, the channel that you can use to consult us directly. But preferably, we are on WhatsApp too. But we are just using that as temporary for those that don't have Telegram. You can message us on WhatsApp too. The link to our WhatsApp is there. The link to our Telegram is there. The link to for you to just reach out to us is there. For people that has been viewing our status before this time, before they ban our account and they don't see any update from us, you can definitely reach out to us with this number on the screen or with the WhatsApp number that we just dropped. So you'll be able to receive update from us anytime we post on our status, so you get to know what is going on e-commerce space. Okay, so that having been said, we're also available for exchange services. If you want to buy WeChat accounts, you want to buy any funds at all, maybe you want to fund your Alipay, you want to fund your WeChat Pay, you want to do procurement, you want to do you want to do training, all sort of training, on any Chinese platform, on Pinduoduo, on Zhenyun, on anything at all, we are available for all these services. All right. That having been said, let's go and look at how you can fund your Skyee account. So now, to fund your account, remember I told you at the process of you registering this account, they are going to be giving you a default. You are going to be selecting your country. So if I'm to click on add money here, and before I click on add money, you can see that our USD account is 00 and our Naira account is 00. So if I want to add money, I can easily click on add money from here. And once I click on add money, you can see here that these are my receiving accounts. And you can see here we have Wema Bank, we have FCMB Bank, we have Paga, and we also have a lot of it like that. So this is a standard account that has been generated on my name on this platform. So any money that enter this account now, they are going to be notifying me and they are going to be crediting me that I have funded my account. So once you fund your accounts now, the next thing you are going to be doing is to send directly to your Alipay account or your supplier's bank account directly. So that's why I said you don't basically need any exchanger for this process. You don't need any middleman for this process. You don't need any procurement agent for this process. You are doing everything yourself. Okay, so once you fund your account here, the next thing is to send directly to your supplier's account. Now let me quickly take you through my WeChat account, my suppliers. I want to buy a phone screen from this supplier. So now this is where I'm asking him to give me his bank account directly. So I said send me your bank details, and this was this guy bank details here. You can see it here. So you can easily get your supplier's contact or bank information directly to send to him directly. So I tell him that I'm going to be making a deposit. So once you get these details, just the bank details and the bank name and the account number and the name. Once you get that, you want to come back here and start sending your money to your supplier directly. So that will be what we are going to be doing in our next tutorial. But before then, let's quickly add money to our account for you to see that this platform is here to stay. This platform is good for e-commerce people. This platform is also good for your business. Lose money to this account by clicking on add money here, and I'm going to be sending money to this Wema bank account. So I'm going to copy this account and I'm going to open my bank app to make a transaction. It has brought out my name, the company's name, which is Zion Hub Logistics. So I'm just going to, let's say I want to transfer 8,000 naira to this account here. I'm just going to write the description and I'm going to send. So the payment has been sent to our account here. The next thing here is to come back to this app and wait for our account to be funded. See here that instantly the account has been is under processing. That is, they notify me that they've received the account. So you can see here they've received this amount here directly to my account. So if I'm to go back here, if I'm to refresh, they are going to be updating this payment directly. You can see now that they have already updated it to my account, and this money is presently here in my account and it's safe. You can see that the payment method that I use to fund this account is my local bank account. The same thing applicable to anybody that want to use this platform. You can use it directly. You're going to be giving you your local bank account to fund the account directly to make it very easy. Now they've done the conversion for me. You can see that the account, what I have here now is $5.70. So by now I can start trading. I can start sending money to my supplier, which is what we are going to be looking at in the next tutorial. Okay, in the next tutorial now, we are going to be sending money directly to I'm going to be sharing with you in our next tutorial how you can use this method to fund your Alipay account or to send money directly to China or to your China supplier that you are dealing with. So you don't need any middleman. You don't need anybody to help you process your payment directly. And this is what I have for you in this tutorial. You want to subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when exactly I drop the part 2 of this video. So please go and message us on WhatsApp on this number that is displaying on your screen right now, so you'll be able to receive updates. I also I usually drop updates on my WhatsApp status, so you can also start seeing it. And we're also available for any form of consultation that have to do with China importation, basically. So I hope you find value in watching today's tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and also subscribe. I will see you in my next tutorial.